Yo, your average sneaker guy is back with another video, man. Your boy took an L this weekend trying to get them Jordan 6 on the sneaker app. I didn't hit the raffle on the Hibbits. So I was like, man, I might take this L. But little did I know that my local Foot Locker was going to get a late shipment. They called your boy up and say, hey, Sneakers, we got a late shipment. We got your size. You want it? I was like, yeah, I'll be there in a minute. So you know what this video is about? We're going to take a detailed look. It's an on-feet look of the Jordan 6 Carmine.
Yeah. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. People wanna talk that talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight. You ain't behind the scenes. Trust me, these things don't just happen. No shade to Gerald, but G's don't come easy when you tryna eat out producing and rapping. I read that contract you sent me to sign, but excuse me, I can't help.
But first off, let me get y'all to hit that like button if you rock with your boy. If you don't, hit that dislike. I still appreciate you. If that subscribe button is still red, please do me a favor and turn that gray by hitting that button and turning that notification on and come join your average sneaker guy nation. And with that being said, we finna go look at these Jordan 6, man. First, I'm gonna start off with the shoe box. So we got the standard Jordan 6 shoe box. As you can see on the tag, it read Air Jordan 6 Retro. White, Carmine, black, size 11, my size. Like I said, I was able to copy my size. Here's your box. They go to the inside box. You got your green label. You got your stamp on the inside. Come with your Jordan 1 white paper. Nothing real special. Standard Air Jordan 6 box. Alright, let's get to the shoes that everybody came to see. First, we're gonna start off with the white side. We got the black and white midsole with the clear, transparent bottom. Got the air bubble right there. I know a lot of people been saying that the red been leaking into the midsole and turning this midsole pink, but my pair is not. My pair is white and good. I have no issue. We got the red right here. I think that's suede or nubuck, whatever that. Then we got the leather pattern. You got your 6 holes right here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up there on the top. Here we got the Air Jordan on the tongue. I like that. You got the Air Jordan and the black on the tongue. Here's a view of this toe box. Toe box looking real good. Kind of media side of it. Media side of the shoe. I mean, I have no issue with the shoe. I see no glue messing up on it. I see no pink, no color leaking. So my pair is A1. Don't know how they gonna be on down the line, but as of right now, my pair looking A1. Kind of booty on these things. Y'all see they got the Nike Air on the back, the OG. You never can go wrong with the Nike Air on that thing, making that booty look good on these things, man. It kind of traction. You got your standard Jordan 6 traction with the Jordan man, Jumpman on the bottom, clear icy sole, white. I mean, that's the standard traction. Can't go wrong with it. Then you got the pull tab right there. I mean, this is a shoe that everybody like, everybody want. I was able to cop, like I said, I took the L on the sneaker app, and 2 days later, I get a phone call, say, hey, we got these late shipment, then come get them. And here I got the Jordan 6 Carmine. And enough of that, now we're gonna take a look and see how these things look on feet. Thank y'all for tuning in to another video. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Y'all made it this far and you haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button to help the channel grow. And also, if y'all haven't, come join your average sneaker guy nation by hitting that sub button. We on this road to 10K, trying to make that happen. So I'm gonna keep pushing out these videos. So make sure y'all turn on that notification bell. And with that being said, I'm your average sneaker guy, and I'm out, baby.
Questa è la musica di Ascoltala.
Your average sneakers, your average sneaker guy. Your average sneakers, your average sneaker guy. Hey, your average sneaker guy. Every on feet on fire, they like oh me, oh my.